Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's windy out. It's a really windy. It's a really windy day. I'm gonna move out the way. If you hear me, if you can't hear me, I apologize. No good. Yeah, you're no good. But not like my dogs. You know, it's a beautiful day. It's a really windy day. We have heavy wind. It's supposed to be kind of heavy wind today. We have rain coming in tonight. Supposed to bring that cold one in sometime next Sunday. Sunday night, not tomorrow, not today. But tomorrow, next Sunday night. Next Sunday, not this Sunday. Taking a bike trail on whoa. I hit a reef on purpose. Don't tell me I didn't head back home. Fuck a raindrop. I can't take my umbrella with me because it'd be too windy today for that. It'd be too dang windy for my umbrella today. Be too windy, be too windy for an umbrella. Get that for my eye. Hopefully not raining. Hopefully. I have nowhere to go. Hang at that point. I have nowhere to go for Central if it get rain. Hopefully I won't get wet. Got sprinkling a little bit, not too much. Day though. Make sure you check out my short channel. I uploaded a video on there today. Alrighty. The video upload now. If you like it, make sure you like that video. Come back over here. Watch this video. God bless everyone. I'll catch you in the next one.